Good morning, y'all. It is Wednesday, September 17 at 10 a.m. I finished the community walking tour this morning. We went to see a waterfall and walked through the rice fields and had lovely desserts, lovely Indonesian sweet treats with coffee. Now I'm gonna go get breakfast. But it was very, very informative. I'm very grateful to be learning about the culture and how each village is different, but there's still commonality within the culture, of course. So I can't wait to showcase that for y'all today.
That's not a Balinese language. Oh.
Where they can gather together and perform during the ceremonies.
And the destroyer. So this is the temple of Vishnu, the protector. So everyone in this village must go to this temple for 6 months.
Every village has the 3 temples.
It has their own celebration date.
This is the creator temple.
Yes, all of the temple is different.
So then you don't use this unless it's a celebration? Is that?
Oh, it's only open for during celebrations.
If we have a celebration in the house, we have to get the holy water from the temple.
Yeah.
So the guys will go to get the water.
Ah, okay.
Here it is from a different angle. Tomato. Alright, so what I just learned,
We will have a special ceremony for
there are 2 entrances in each Balinese household.
Yeah.
and the other door will now have ceremony. So we believe that door is dirty, something like that.
Ah,
It's
okay.
dirty.
Okay. Kind of like the feet.
Huh?
The feet, right? The feet are sacred or dirty in Bali? I don't remember.
just not dirty in
But like-
specific. I mean, yeah. What can I say?
That's like a culture, like
Yeah.
like a culture.
Like say
thing,
when
right?
we have our feriat, we couldn't go to the temple
Yeah,
because
yeah.
we are dirty. Something
Yeah,
like that.
yeah. Like the feet the same way, right? So they wash your feet when you go to like a spa.
Uh-huh.
Is that why?
Yeah.
No,
But
right?
you didn't have to wash your feet, no.
Oh, okay, okay. All the spas that I've been to in Bali have been like they wash your feet. So I didn't know if there was something special about that.
You can use things for the temple. There's some families that also have their own specific clan family. Clan temple.
Family temple.
Their own family temple. So not everybody goes to this
buy the
temple.
land?
But any temple slash, any family slash clan that has a larger population.
The villager here didn't buy the land. It
Oh, really?
belonged to the village.
Oh,
So when we
okay.
move out, someone else will come in.
Okay, okay.
Oh, the member the rest of the village.
And then when we stay here in this village land, we have to worship that three temples, something like that,
Oh, wow.
and join the community. Even though let's say we're going to like another island in Indonesia, we have to go back still when we have ceremony or celebration in the house.
I like this. See, it's a roam around free. That's a cutie.
It's all green here.
How? Neighborhood watchdog.
It's such a nice view though. Currently going on a community walk and there's a rest stop for us. So we get coffee and treats. Look at this view. I'm excited. Ooh! This is the pumpkin one. This is the pumpkin one. Wrapped in banana leaves, of course. Let's try it.
Ini tadi saya ke bawah kok.
Bohong banget.
Kalau kopi kan satuan.
Aku nggak bisa ngopi.
And we have coconut. I'm 10 out of 10 to recommend. 10 out of 10. It's the perfect sweetness. Alright, let's see what the filling of this one is.
Sticky rice.
And do them with beans, with banana. Beans. This is a fantastic breakfast.
So it's beans.
It's beans.
It's usually with banana.
So usually with bananas,
Surprise!
but
No banana for you. This sound. This sounds good.
Chicken is just
No.
yoga.
It's yoga, but they use singing bowl also, and then not as
No.
complete as sound healing. but
Everybody
it's
has
a
this.
sound also.
the same
Okay,
time.
it's like a cup. This is pretty.
we get wow.
Probably glad you weren't too, huh? Gotta get some hiking stand on.
Oh my gosh. So beautiful. Oy.
You have much longer legs than me. It's okay though.
Oh, we are indeed crossing a river. It's a balancing act. Embrace.
Drop there. Sorry, I tried to warn you. I tried.
Crossing another river.